Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix apps not showing delete app on iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, click and hold the app you want to delete. So you will see remove app, so click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. So there is another way of deleting apps, so go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on screen time. Now here scroll down, you will see content and privacy restriction, so click on content and privacy restriction. Now here you will see App Store, first option. So delete apps, click on delete apps. Allow or don't allow, so click on allow. So after the process, go back and you will check your apps is delete. So that's how you can fix apps not showing delete apps on iPhone 17 here. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.